Hi, I hope you are here to learn more about dependencies between data architecture and data management roles. In this short video, I'll discuss how data architecture impacts the design of the roles. Unfortunately, within the data management community, we don't have an aligned approach to defining data management roles. In my workshops, I often ask the participants one provocative question. Do you know how many data management roles has Dama Dembak introduced? I ask you the same question. Do you know? The answer is 112. How are you going to structure and implement them? The challenge is that several factors, including data architecture, impact the roles design. The Orange Data Management Framework I use in my practices demonstrates the dependencies between various data architecture types and data management roles. After watching this video, I hope you will form your own opinion about this concept and will be able to map it with the approach taken within your organization. This video is a part of a free webinar I conducted in October 2023. At the end of this video, you will find the link to the recording of the whole webinar. An organization's profile and information systems architecture influence the way a data management function is established. It's worth mentioning that the information systems architecture includes data and application architectures. They impact the design of data management roles. Within the scope of this webinar, I can discuss all data management roles. I'll demonstrate the influence of various information systems architectures on two roles, data owner and data user. The implementation of the data lifecycle is the key to assigning these two roles to business data stewards. In the centralized architecture, the data owner role is usually assigned based on the new data creation principle. It's important to create the role of data user as well. The accountabilities of business data stewards will be switched between the roles of an owner and user at the location in the data lifecycle. In the decentralized architecture, a business domain organizes the whole data lifecycle. So depending on the data and its exchange direction, the same business domain will play the data owner and user role for different data types. Business domain architecture can also be realized in the centralized architecture. These complications are not part of this webinar. I'll discuss in depth in my masterclass. The next object influenced by the information systems architecture is the data management organizational structure. The organizational structure of the data management function will reflect the company's organizational structure. I mean, for example, the number of management or organizational levels. The accountability of each data management role must be split between each level. Let's take the role of a data owner as an example. The accountabilities of this role will be spread across the organizational levels. At the strategic level, you will create the executive data owner role and assign it to a business line manager. This person will be accountable for overall activities related to establishing a data lifecycle he or she is accountable for. At the technical level, it will be maybe a responsible data owner at the level of a particular department. This person will plan and coordinate the implementation of the data lifecycle. At the operational level, a business data steward will perform tasks associated with identifying data accuracy and performing various daily tasks. This slide also presents the distribution of accountabilities of various governing bodies. Thank you for watching this video. This is a link to the whole recording. You can find it at the Data Crossroads Academy site. You can find more information at the datacrossroads.nl site. And let's connect on LinkedIn.